right, Derek, where are we at?
Hope it fits. Is it big enough?
Derek, where are we at?
We're at Show Me Birds in Baxter Springs, Kansas. And we've only been here once, so this is all kind of just new to us. But this guy's name is Rodriguez. That's right, and he's going to show us where the birds are.
So we've been out here 30 minutes ago, but Derek was tearing up the bathroom.
But Derek's late, and it was in the
got
bathroom.
lost in the outhouse. Then we got Harrison James. He's going to be our guide for us today. Show us where all the birds are. You can snap his little thingies there, Brett. All that all together.
Yes, sir. I'm with you.
Come on. Good
They're coming.
Good dog. Good dog. Yeah, we're gonna put it in. Keep going. Keep going. Just keep going. Just walk right on up there into the grass. Okay, you better be ready.
It's time to go home. Time to go home. That'd be me. That was me. Okay, Brett, you have some explaining to do.
That's explaining. Sun, man, it was the sun.
Yeah, that's it.
Brandon,
Yes, sir.
is there anything you'd rather be doing right now?
No, not really.
No, me neither. You know, this is what makes it special is you guys get to be here.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Making memories. Little old Harrison will never forget this.
I think about 2 or 3 now. It's recording, so we're gonna find out. There you go, Dad. Well, did you shoot any?
Today?
Yeah. Did you get any?
I think
Verify that.
I scared one today.
Here, let's go.
Whoop.
You ready, guys? Coming out.
I didn't miss that one. Yep. I'm not gonna let y'all get any today.
Here, let's go. There it goes, there it goes. Go. I never get a shot. He come over my head. I could never get back on him. Brett, why didn't you shoot it over here?
Shot all the other ones and figured I'd give them a chance.
Be greedy. Be greedy. That's fine. Yep, that's my point. There you go.
Good shot.
There you go.
I shot, but I don't know if I hit it.
Yep. Come on, dude. You got that. Here, let's go. Go.
There, get ready. Catch him. Found a glove. I found a missing glove.
Thank you, Brandon.
Welcome. Yeah! That was way out of my range. I did too.
Okay, you can erase that one.